Hello, this is my second part of the review of Persepolis. Let's continue in page 50. The heroes. Marjan hears about the tortures. She was frustrated because her dad wasn't a hero and her mother wanted to kill people. She wanted justice. The next chapter is called Moscow. When she found out she had an uncle who was a hero, she was very happy. He told her the story of how he ended up being exiled and living in the USSR, and later returning to his hometown to end up in jail. The ship. The Islamic Republic had the power. Everyone started to emigrate. They killed Mohsen and were looking for Siamak. Anush, her uncle, was arrested and chose Marjan as his only visitor. Later, they killed him. She lost faith in God. The trip. They closed the U.S. Embassy. Marjan's dreams were destroyed. One of them was becoming a scientist. The government forced women to wear the veil. There were ways to dress depending on political beliefs. She started to demonstrate, but that same day was the last one for her. They went on a trip for 3 weeks. To Spain and Italy. When they returned to Tehran, they found out the country was in war. The F-14s. The war was more than real. It was a fact. Iraq's fleet were attacking them, and so the Iranian bombed Iraq. The jewels. They had an economic crisis that the press wasn't covering. Women at the supermarket were mean and rude with the refugees. The key. At school, teachers made girls hit their breasts as a ritual. Marjan always took the chance to do practical jokes. Parents were called to have an intervention about the kids' behavior, but they wouldn't accept the complaints. Boys from poor houses had the key to paradise. It was a scam, a trick that was a trick to make them go to war. The wine. They had to hide from bombs in their basement and from neighbors who could snitch them. That's it for the review. I hope you like it. See you later with a third review.